I'm going to tell you exactly how to become a pro developer in Roblox and become an amazing user of all the tools in Roblox Studio and go from beginner or intermediate to pro. So this guide is going to give you the tips and tricks that you need right now. All right, let's start with the things you should do. First, familiarize yourself with the tools and interface of Roblox Studio. You need to get to know everything that you're going to be using in Roblox Studio, such as the UI. You're going to need to know the model tab, properties window, and also some of the basics of scripting and building to get yourself started. And if you don't know the basics, a good place to start is to start building. So click the video in the top right hand corner and watch that after this video if you want to go ahead and get started building on Roblox, which is one of the best ways to get started. Second, practice makes perfect. The more you work with Roblox Studio, the more comfortable you're going to get with it. Take on different projects and experiment as much as possible with different features. Don't take on anything too big when you're starting out, and make as much stuff as possible and improve as fast as you can and continually learn from all the sources you can about Roblox development and how to get better. Third, collaborate with other devs. Collaborating is going to boost your skills so much faster than any other method, but you do need to make sure that you know how to develop and that you've made some projects on your own so you have some credibility and so that you can provide something to your team, because people aren't going to work for free. And one thing you can do is provide value to your team. This can be enough if you are just if you're talking to lots of developers, networking and learning and trying to teach others and learn from them at the same time. You can join Discord servers, the Roblox Talent Hub, the Roblox Dev Forum, and especially the Roblox RTC to go ahead and start talking with developers. I got videos on all this stuff, but I definitely recommend, if you want to get a head start talking to Roblox developers, to join SmartyRBX below, one of the best Roblox development Discord servers, and it is growing extremely fast. So yeah, make sure to join up. You're going to miss out. 2,000 people are in the server currently at the time of recording. All right, next, let's look at some of the mistakes that beginning developers make. Let's look at some of the mistakes that all Roblox developers make at some point, and I want you to avoid these. First, trying to copy other people's work. Now, not everyone does this, but this is a horrible mistake for the people who do. Copying others' work is not only not good morally, it's also against Roblox's terms of service. So if you think that you're copying too much, and if you think that you're going off the edge of inspiration and copying, you need to stop it and make work more unique. And never ever steal someone's work. Very bad to do, and if you do it, you're going to feel very bad about it, and you might even get banned. Instead, use other games as inspiration and come up with your own unique ideas and fuse your ideas together to get some of the best ideas you've ever invented. And if you make your own idea, you're much more likely to be successful because you don't know if someone else's idea is going to work for you. It's not your type of game necessarily, so make sure that you make something that you want to make and make sure it's a unique idea. You'll have an even higher shot at success. Second, don't get discouraged by failure. You have to fail to succeed on Roblox. You have to make tons of unsuccessful games to become successful in Roblox. It takes a lot of time and effort, but don't get discouraged if your first few games don't blow up, because nobody's do, and the top developers have made tons and tons of games before they've gotten to where they are. So keep practicing and learning. You'll get there eventually, and there's tons of resources like the Roblox documentation, my YouTube channel where I upload daily about some of the best tips and tricks for Roblox development just like this, and a lot of other stuff important to becoming successful in Roblox. Next, don't ignore the importance of testing everything. Test all your ideas, test everything, and also test your game. Make sure that before you release a Roblox game, test it for bugs, issues, and other things that could throw off the success of the game, because you don't want to be in the heat of all the issues right after the game's already out and you're advertising it and people are playing it and they just leave because everything is breaking. You got to heavily test your game and fix all bugs before you do a full release. This is something that I've done, and it has caused my game to fail, and I've wasted thousands of Robux advertising games that were broken, which was a terrible mistake. But I want to help you guys become more pro of a developer than I was when I started, and I want to show you exactly how to grow a game on Roblox. So make sure to click the video on screen to learn exactly how to grow a game on Roblox, what you should do and what you should not do, some fatal mistakes that you don't want to make. So if you want to become a success on Roblox, make sure to click the video on screen and I'll show you exactly how to do that. Let's go do this, make that Robux, make amazing games, and yeah, see you guys later. Thanks for watching.